So then I was like,
Oh, you're about to sneeze? Oh, this is gonna be a good one.
yeah,
Yes, Lachlan, do it. Sneeze it.
it's gone.
No!
Damn, that sucks.
Sneezing is the best. Here we go.
It's gone.
Damn!
Ah,
I can't watch this.
how do I sneeze?
Just look at the sun.
What?
Just look at the sun and you sneeze.
You know, Jackson, I love sneezing, but I also love seeing.
Great point. Come on, Lachlan. Come on, Lachlan, get there! Come on, we can do this, Lachlan! Yes!
It's gone.
I'm gonna shoot something.
Ah!
Yes!
You said, is it true? Is it true?
We're nearly at 1 million subscribers, so subscribe now! Do it!
Tell me now, so promise